You can now connect your clients' social profiles to Statusbrew without needing access to their accounts. You can generate and send a secure shared link, using which they can connect their social media accounts themselves. And when they're done, the profiles appear in your Statusbrew workspace. To create a new shared link, go to your client's workspace and navigate to Settings and then Profiles. Click on Connect via Shared Link and create a new link. Choose the networks you want your client to connect. Then, click on Next and enter their email address. You can also add a short message so they know what to do. Now click on Send Invites, and that's it. Your client instantly gets an email with your invitation. Through the email, they click on View Link. See the networks you requested and connect each profile by authenticating directly on the social platform. The connected profiles appear right away in Statusbrew. If this profile needs to be re-authenticated later, you don't need a new link. Click on this globe icon, find your existing link, and click on the 3 dots menu, and then hit the Notify option. From the dialog box, you can add or remove recipients. Add a new message here, and then click Notify Recipients. The rest of the process would be the same for the client. You can also manage your current links by going into the link settings and changing the name, profile, or network access. You can also set link expiry or revoke access. For those of you who've already connected clients' social media accounts in Statusbrew and just need to send them a link to re-authenticate a current profile, click on the globe icon and generate a new link. Choose the right social network, and this time you'd also select the profile you'd want them to re-authenticate. Send the link as before. The rest of the process will be the same. Use these shared links and simplify the process of connecting and managing clients' social media accounts in Statusbrew.